Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Crypto Wolf and I'm so excited to be back. Let me know in the comments if you're excited to be back on this channel. We will be providing a lot of opportunities and crypto airdrops. 2023 will be our year. We will also make the community ready, so stay tuned for more. Welcome to this video on the Harbor Token Airdrop. Are you looking to get your hands on some free crypto? Look no further. Harbor Protocol is the dApp on the Comdex chain, powered by the Cosmos SDK and CosmWasm smart contracts. This enables safe listed assets to be locked in vaults and mint CMST. That's their stablecoin. The protocol also facilitates users to earn interest by depositing CMST in its locker module. Harbor Protocol is airdropping a total of 150 million Harbor tokens to 23 various communities. Yes, you heard that good. 23 other chains will get airdropped. Stakers and liquidity providers of the illegal chains and pools have 84 days to claim the airdrop, and we have only 44 days left. So in this video, I will show you how to participate in the airdrop and get your share of the tokens. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how you can get in on this exclusive opportunity. Let's begin. So I will take you to the process step by step. The first thing we do is we visit the Harbor page. That's the page where we can check out the airdrop. Make sure you are logged in into your Kepler wallet, and then we will connect to it and we connect our Comdex address. You will see 43 days left. You will see the details right here. Here you see the chains that are possible with a magic transaction, and here you see the chains that you get an airdrop, but you have to complete some missions. If you checked my channel before, you know how to complete missions, but I will take you through the process itself. So let's take a look at eligibility first. And we give in our Comdex address. You can also find this in your Kepler wallet by clicking right here and go to Comdex. All right. Now, if we click onto this and we click onto check, yes, we will see the amount of Harbor tokens we receive, and we will see the V Harbor tokens we receive. So now in order to complete this, we click onto complete mission. You will see the liquid Harbor is directly sent to the wallet, and you will see unclaimed Harbor 0 and claimed 347. So we have this claimed. To make sure that we have those tokens, we will go to Comdex. Once we find Comdex, we click onto it, we go down, and we will see the Harbor tokens have arrived. So everything is good. Now, the second thing we do is we mint the stablecoin CMST on the Harbor platform. So we click Take Me There. Once we have clicked onto this, it will bring us to this page. Now you can choose, do you want to mint the stablecoin with Osmo or with Atom? You can choose one of those three or one of those three. I would like to choose Atom, so we click onto this. Now we have one issue. I cannot complete the steps in this video because I have no liquid Atom enough. Why is this? You will see if you put in 10 Atom, the input should be greater than the minimum borrow amount is $100. So it should be at least $100 of Atom. They say even 250, 150 to be sure. Like if you see this one, you should put in 200 to be exactly, 200 is too much. What did I do here? 20, and then you have $100. So you have to put in an amount of Atom that is the same as $100 or $150 to be able to mint that stable coin. You can always, when the process is done and you have completed all the missions and received the full airdrop, you can always change it back later and put your CMST back to Atom. But I myself, I cannot show this, but it's just easy. You put in the Atom amount you have, and then you just click on to mint. If you ask yourself how to deposit Atom on this page, you just click onto assets and we click deposit on Atom, and you can deposit your Atom to mint it. All right. So now let's click onto more airdrop and go back to the missions. Then we need to vote on a proposal. This is also something very easy if you have watched the channel before. If you are new to the channel, welcome everyone, and I hope everything is very clear for you. You can see all the votes are executed, so there is nothing to vote right now, but if it would be able, we could just click onto this and we could just click onto vote. And I think it's gonna cost some V Harbor. Yes, it's gonna cost some V Harbor, and then you just click onto vote now and this will show it itself. Now for step 3, we need to click onto airdrop again. Yes, we need to land CMST on Komodo platform. I did this already yesterday in the video, but the quality was not good and the audio something was off. So I'm doing the video today again. So as you can see right here, if you click onto land, normally I already did it, but how can I see that? So you can see if you click onto withdraw, you can see I have already one CMDX that I'm, the Comdex token that I'm lending. You can see the APY, it's not interesting, but it's just to get your airdrop. The problem is I didn't get my full airdrop because I didn't do the other steps. But if you do this one, you can see it's done as also, and you will receive your full amount of the V Harbor. And then the last one, you just need to do a liquidity pool on CSwap DEX in the Atom Comdex pool and farm your LP tokens. This is just the same like on Osmosis, so do not worry about that. Click on to take me there. All the links that I'm using is in the description of the video, so make sure to use that you do not click on wrong links or something else. So this is going to be the one. You just click onto this and then you just add liquidity. You can see I do not have Atom, but I could do max Comdex and then my Atom provide liquidity. And that's it. That's how simple it is. And once you have done that, you have the full airdrop claimed. Then you have 100%. All right, that's it. Now for the magic transaction, let's go to that. Click onto airdrop. We click onto every chain and we can just check eligibility. My only chain that I have an airdrop for is for secret, so I'm going to show it with secret and you can see magic transaction already completed. I did this yesterday in the video if you saw the video, but as I said, the audio and the video was very off. But if you click onto secret, yeah, it's going to keep saying already completed. So wait, what do? We just choose another chain. Let's say Avmos and we check. All right, and you will see no eligible, but now you will see perfectly on how to do it. I said it yesterday also, I recommend everyone to take notes on the computer or something like that, so you can paste the address right here. Because with Kepler, if you like click and we have to send like with secret, I had an airdrop like say send, and then we paste something here, and then we need to click right here again. You see it goes away and you need to do it again. So what I do is I copy this, I put it on the notes, then I put in the address and then I just take it from the notes and it doesn't pop off the Kepler. So if you have troubles with that, this is also a solution. If you like this video, if you appreciate the content, if this is helping you out, please leave a comment and just let me know, because sometimes I have a lot of viewers but no one comments, so I'm thinking in myself, am I doing it right, yes or no, and what can I do better? I would love to hear your feedback of every single one of you, and I hope you are all good. And if you're having a bad time or you're not liking what's happening in crypto, please have some patience, because I am building as well in the background, and normally the community should be ready for end January. And if that's ready, I will announce a video about that and explain every detail. Also having upcoming passive income ID that I'm using myself, that you can earn around 0.5% and 1% daily passively on your investment without doing anything yourself. So if you're interested in that, give me some fire in the comments. Just drop me some fire emojis so I know that the people are interested in this, and I will make an upcoming video about that. So that was it for the Harbor Token Airdrop. I hope you found it informative and helpful in participating in the airdrop. Remember, do not miss out on this exclusive opportunity to get your hands on some free crypto. To recap, all you have to do is follow the instructions in this video, Complete the simple tasks and you'll be on your way to getting your own Harbor tokens. I wish you the best of luck, and we can't wait to see you on the Harbor platform, and I can't wait to see you into the next video. Thanks for watching.